Puzzle with multicolored cubes. You are given 4 cubes. The faces of these cubes are colored using 4 different colors: red, green, blue and white, such that every color appears at least once on each cube. Hence, we can see that for each cube, one face is red, one is blue, one is green and one is white. The remaining 2 faces could be of any repeating color. Both could be of some same color or 2 different colors. Now, the challenge is to stack these cubes such that every color appears exactly once on each lateral side of the cuboid so formed. We know that when we stack the cubes, it takes the shape of a cuboid. The cuboid will have 4 rectangular lateral faces, a top face and a bottom face. We need to stack them so that each of these 4 lateral faces contain all 4 colors. However, the order in which they appear is not of concern. We may define the problem in a precise way, like given 4 cubes, 6 of whose faces are colored variously with blue, green, red or white. Then, is it possible to stack the cubes such that no color appears twice on any of the 4 sides of the column? In order to find the solution, we need to convert the real problem into a graph theoretic problem. For that, we first construct a graph to represent the colors of the 4 given cubes. Start a graph with 4 vertices. These 4 vertices represent the 4 colors of our problem. Label them as R, G, B and W. Now pick up the first cube. For each pair of opposite face, we draw an edge in the graph between the correspondingly colored vertices. Now look at the first cube. Consider the first pair of opposite face. They are colored as blue and white. Hence, we need to draw an edge in the graph between the vertices B and W. Now, let us take the second pair of opposite face. They are colored as green and red. Hence, we draw an edge in the graph between the vertices R and G. Again, pick up the last pair of opposite face, the top face and the bottom face. Since both are colored as red, we draw a self loop in the graph at the vertex R. Hence, for the first cube, we get 3 edges in the graph. Label all 3 edges as 1. Similarly, for the second cube, draw 3 edges to represent each pair of opposite face. These edges are to be drawn in the same graph itself. Here, the first pair of opposite faces green and red. Hence, we draw an edge between R and G. Since there is already one edge between R and G, we draw an edge in the curved form. Okay. Now, pick up the next pair of cube 2, that is green and white. So, we draw an edge in the graph between the vertices G and W. Now, pick up the last pair of the second cube, that is again blue and W. Since there is already an edge between blue and W, we draw an edge in the form of an arc. Okay. Again, we get 3 edges for cube 2. Now, all these 3 edges are to be labeled as 2. Repeat the procedure for cube 3 and cube 4. Hence, the final graph will contain 4 vertices and 12 edges. For the given set of cubes, we have generated the corresponding graph. Next, we need to formulate equation based on this graph. The question is it possible to get two edge disjoint subgraphs from the main graph such that each subgraph has 4 vertices, all with degree 2, and 4 edges, all having 4 different labels. That is, the labels must be 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the graph G, we are able to get two subgraphs with all conditions met. Here, G1 and G2 are the subgraphs that we obtained from G. We can see that both G1 and G2 contains all 4 vertices with degree 2, as well as they both contain 4 mutually exclusive edges. Hence, we can say that it is possible to stack the given cubes with all 4 sides having different colored faces. The problem with multicolored cubes is based on the concept of edge disjoint Hamiltonian circuits. The solution is based on obtaining edge disjoint Hamiltonian circuits from a given graph. A Hamiltonian circuit of a graph is a subgraph that contains all vertices of the graph, that too exactly once. Two edge disjoint Hamiltonian circuits of a graph are two subgraphs that contain all the vertices of the graph exactly once and contain mutually exclusive edges. From our graph, we see that it is possible to get two edge disjoint Hamiltonian circuits. Hence, a solution has to be there. The subgraphs so obtained are the means to find the solution. Consider two opposite lateral sides of the cuboid, say south and north. The subgraph with 4 edges will represent the 8 faces, 4 facing south and 4 facing north. Each of the 4 edges must be of different labels 1, 2, 3 and 4 to assure that edges from all 4 cubes are taken. And all the 4 vertices must be of degree 2 to assure that no color appears twice. Similarly, for the other pair of opposite sides, east and west. The first subgraph, shown in yellow, represents the opposite faces of the cubes in the north-south direction. And the second subgraph, shown in pink, represents the opposite faces of the cube in the east-west direction. Look at the edges labeled as 1 from both the graphs. Place cube 1 such a way that blue faces south, white faces north, and red faces west and green faces east. Top and bottom faces are not of concern. Next, look at the edges labeled as 2 from both subgraphs. Place cube 2 on top of cube 1 such that green faces south, red faces north, and another green face south faces west and white faces east. Make sure that all lateral faces formed so far has got 2 different colors. Otherwise, we will have to exchange the top and bottom faces of the second cube without changing the faces at north, south, west and east. Now, repeat the same procedure for the edges labeled as 3 and those labeled as 4. Finally, we see that all cubes have been stacked and all 4 lateral faces contain all the 4 different colors. Thank you.